Hi everybody, this is Pat O'Hara here, your team lead for this term at SNHU. As we wrap up the term, it's now week 7, I just wanted to kind of touch base and let you know how wonderful it's been to work with such a great team. Even though this term has brought with us some very unique and rather unprecedented challenges, each week I was impressed popping into classes and seeing different methods and different teaching styles, and just seeing the way that you all related to your students throughout the course of the term was really great. So thank you all very much for that. As you likely know, tomorrow the summative evaluations will be released, and I'm just actually in the process of wrapping those up right now. And I just wanted to remind everybody that a score of meets expectations means that you are doing great, right? You're reaching the high standards of the faculty fundamental requirements. You're engaging with your students at a very high level throughout each week, and you're just doing a really good job. The exceeds expectations category, which a lot of you have been meeting in several categories throughout the term, means you're taking an extra step, going above and beyond. Now, to circle back just to that meets expectations category, I certainly understand that this term, just meeting those expectations could be quite the challenge given the unique circumstances that everybody is experiencing throughout this current pandemic. So I just wanted to give a little context into the scores. And of course, if any of you have any questions on that, please feel free to send me an email, give me a call. I'm always available to chat at that end. So with that, have a successful rest of your term, and let me know what I can do to help. Bye.